Sir, good evening, ma.
Good evening. What's your name?
The Simplicity Tutor.
Okay. Oh, the tutor.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday tutor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your number?
210.
Okay, so we are skipping somebody. You're not allowed to do what? It's not skipping. Okay, it's gone. So what's your name?
The Simplicity Tutor.
What's your real name?
Victor Udoabasi.
That's what you say. Simplicity tutor is not written here. So what are you going to be doing?
Teaching mathematics.
Okay, do it right away.
All right, thank you.
I hope you know you have 2 to 3 minutes.
Yes, sir. Antonyms in mathematics. In English language, an antonym is a word that has the opposite meaning of another word. Interestingly, words and opposite do also exist in mathematics. Here are a few of them. Addition. The opposite of addition is subtraction. Here is an example. 2x minus 5 to be equal to 7. To solve this, we have to eliminate minus 5 by introducing the opposite of minus 5, which is plus 5, to both sides of the equation. And we have this. At our left-hand side, we have minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 means I'm owing 5. Plus 5 means I have 5. When I give the person an owing, I'm left with 2x to be equal to 7 plus 5, which is 12. Division. The opposite of division is multiplication. We still continue. 2x to be equal to 12. The question is, what is the bond between 2 and x? The bond between 2 and x is multiplication. And to break the bond, we have to introduce the opposite of multiplication, which is division. That is why we divide both sides by 2 to give us x equals to 6. Greater than. The opposite of greater than is less than. Here we have 13 greater than 9 and 89 less than 101. One of the ways we can understand this or remember this is that greater than is our right arm and less than is our left arm. Another way you can also understand this or remember this is that when we do the right thing in life, we become great. And then when we do the left thing in life, that is the wrong thing in life, we become less. Perpendicular lines. The opposite of perpendicular lines are parallel lines. This is an example of perpendicular line. Perpendicular lines are lines that when they cross each other, they form 90 degrees. Here we have parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that travel at the same direction without meeting each other. Another way to remember how parallel lines look like is when you are looking at the spelling or considering the double L in the spelling of parallel lines. Also, we have like signs and unlike signs, the opposite. Under like signs, we have plus times plus to be equal to plus, minus times minus to be equal to plus. Under unlike signs, we have minus times plus to be equal to minus, and plus times minus to be equal to minus. One of the concepts I have to help anybody remember this without cramming is that at our left hand, let's consider plus to be positive mind and minus to be negative mind. At our right hand, let's consider plus to be succeed and minus to be failure. Follow me through. When two positive minds come together to achieve a thing, they succeed. When two negative minds come together to achieve a thing, they succeed because they are like minds. When one negative and one positive mind come together to achieve a thing, they fail. And when one positive and one negative mind come together to achieve a thing, they also fail because they are unlike minds. The spiritual significance of this concept. Ecclesiastes 3 verse 1 to 2. There's a time for everything and a season for every activity under the heavens. A time to be born and a time to die, a time to plant and a time to uproot. Understanding the times and seasons in our lives helps us to wait through each season, whether pleasant or not.
Thank you. Everything you have done so far, I have only one comma and a question. And that's your hypothesis that I'm going to puncture today. See, when two negative-minded people come together, then they will achieve success. How do they? When this person believes it can never work, the other person believes it can never work, and they come together, they multiply themselves. How does it now work?
Well, negative in a sense. Okay, let's use the Tower of Babel. It wasn't in the will of God. At that point, it was a negative stuff. But when they had like minds, the idea is like minds. They are coming together to achieve something bad. Because they have like minds, they succeed.
Okay. Lots to drag, but I won't drag you now. Let's just drop it. I'll give you a yes, please.
Thank you so much, sir.
Say yes.
Thank you so much, ma.
That's a yes from me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.